Hey guys, it's Ricky here with DashCam Documentaries, and today we are in the town of Hidden Meadows, right near Escondido in San Diego County, and we are in the Welk Resort, which is a historic resort started by band leader Lawrence Welk. But today we're not going to be talking so much about this resort as much as we are about Escondido and the history behind these beautiful mountains filled with rocks and the land here. And as always, you're welcome to join me. Just get in the car and buckle up. Okay, so up we go up this narrow road here in the Welk Resort in Hidden Meadows. Now, this resort was started in 1964 by bandleader Lawrence Welk when he purchased 900 of these beautiful acres. It was all undeveloped land, but it was near Escondido, which was a prominent community. Now, once Welk started performing here at the nightclub, that's when this resort became very popular, especially among older people that loved him so much from his long running television show. In fact, he had the longest running musical show ever in the history of TV. So he came here and he bought all this beautiful land and developed it. But the history, now Hidden Meadows was named that because there are many hidden meadows in these hills, these beautiful rolling hills. Now, Escondido, which is right near here, is one of the oldest cities in San Diego County. And it means, the word Escondido in Spanish means hidden. Now, some people think it means it's a hidden gem. Other people felt it also meant hidden meadows because there are meadows hidden up here. So we don't know exactly why they named it Escondido, but it does mean hidden in Spanish. Now, the first settlers here were the Luiseno Indians, and the country of Spain controlled all these lands from the 1700s to the early 1800s, and that's when Mexico gained independence from Spain. Now, back then, it was called Rancho Rincon del Diablo, or Devil's Corner. Now, I have no idea why they named it Devil's Corner. Everyone that works here so far has seemed very pleasant and nobody is devilish. So we don't know why they named it that, but that was the name until 1846. And that's when the US versus Mexico War occurred right here on these lands. Now, this war is the only war or the only battle in that war that Mexico won was right here. So they won this battle, but of course the United States ended up winning the war and ended up taking control of this land. Now, and after that, a group of investors from Los Angeles decided to purchase all this land, and that's when they changed the name from Rancho Rincon del Diablo to Escondido, meaning hidden meadows, hidden water, or hidden treasure, or all of the above, which were located here. Now, it became a major agricultural city after that, growing grapes and lemons and oranges and avocados. And many ranchers did live here on these lands and were quite successful because they were able to garner all the water from the hidden meadows and became, they ended up having fruitful careers. Pardon the pun, but so lots of fruits and vegetables were grown here. Now, in the 1970s, that's when development started creeping in, and developers started showing up and figuring out that this is the perfect area to build condominiums and houses and vacation properties, and golf courses started going up and there's a lot of controversy with the developments that have been built here in beautiful Escondido or Hidden Meadows. So that's a story that we won't get into today. Today, mainly, we wanted to focus on the beauty of this area and the history. And now we can just sit back and enjoy the beautiful, vibrant colors, the plants that grow here, the hills with large rock boulders, and just the beauty of this environment. And we can reminisce about old days gone by. Well, that's where we'll end the show today. Thank you guys for joining me. And as always, I look forward to seeing you on our next adventure.